Hey feds, someone in one of our workshops recently gave this statement. They said, "It sounds like I can't rely on my pension at all. I have to fund my retirement in some other ways." Because what we do is we go through this exercise where we say, okay, that's what the government says they're going to give you, but what do we take out before it even gets to your bank account? And we go through that. And people realize, holy cow, what? I didn't realize I'm not getting as much as I thought I was. That's true. And if someone were to just retire and take what the government gives them by default, then they're going to be surprised. But if you create a plan and you say, okay, this is what's going to happen. How do I change it? How do I morph it? How do I maximize it? How do I do all that? Then you're going to get closer to what you think you're going to get. But too many people just say, all right, government, give me what you got. And it doesn't work as well for them as they would think. Come to our workshops, learn about what you really need to do.